This is the 8th part of our 4.2 to serve with love. So open your books, page number 181. 181. So today we are going to learn the actual novel from its chapter 17. In this book, in this textbook, there is not given the full novel for our study, only given chapter 17 for our study. So we are going to learn only that chapter 17 which was given from the novel, autobiographical novel To Serve with Love, which is written by E.R. Braithwaite. Now listen carefully. The half-yearly report of the Student Council was on November 15th. So, that was the day, November 15th. And on that day, every student has to present half-yearly report of their progress. It means in that half year, what they had learned, they have to present in that students council, and was one of the important days in the calendar. Calendar, it means, look at here, it means yearly planning. Calendar of Greensland School. So the name of that school is Greensland, and that school had a particular calendar, particular yearly planning, and in that planning there are many important days they were celebrating, and particularly this day, Student Council Day, this day was also very important in that school's calendar, in that school's yearly planning. I had heard quite a deal about, look at the meaning of this word, this phrase, quite a deal. Quite a deal, it means much more or too much. Quite a deal about these occasions. Occasion, it means particular event. Occasions, and became as excited as the children as the day approached. Approached, it means came nearer. So that particular day, 15th November, that was the day of Students' Council, and for that day, every student was very excited and eagerly waiting for that particular day. In the same way, this teacher, E.R. Braithwaite, was also excited and eagerly waiting, very excitedly waiting for that particular day. And when that day, particular day, Student Council Day came nearer, as the student became more and more excited, in the same way this teacher was also became more and more excited. Why? Because this teacher had heard much more about that particular day, about that particular event. It was entirely it means completely. It was entirely their day, arranged, presented and controlled by them. So this was the day of all students. No teacher was going to do any kind of activity, just the teacher will come and sit there and view everything, notice only everything. But the student had to do everything. they had to arrange everything, they has to present everything, they has to control everything. I observe the activities of my class as they prepared for it, noting with pride the business-like way in which task it means a piece of work. Tasks were allocated means appointed or assigned and fitted into the neat program. So, in that program, particularly ER breakfast students were doing everything actively and they were handling everything like a businessman. They had given particular activity, particular task, particular piece of work to every student, and every student was managing his piece of work, and therefore the program was handled neatly, nicely there. And after watching all these activities, E.R. Braithwaite became very proud about his students. There were whispered it means, look at here. Whispered it means talk secretly in low voice. Whispered conferences. Conference it means talk over affairs or any matter. Conference with members of other classes in the arrangement of it. So, in that event, in that program, there were small whispered conferences were made for different kind of class to talk over the matters, to talk over affairs, whatever they are going to handle in that event. On that day, there was no assembly. Assembly, particularly, meaning of this word here is school. It means that day particularly the school was closed, everything was closed, just the ceremony was handled there. It means the regular classes were closed there. The children arrived smartly dressed and polished, and Miss Joseph and Denham, who seemed to be the important official for the occasion, moved about among their colleagues. Among it means in the middle of, and colleagues it means fellow students, or another meaning is the students with whom one studies. Ensuring it means making sure. Ensuring that each one was ready to play his or her part. So, particularly that day was closed for regular classes. Therefore, all the students came with very neatly dressed, different kind of dress, polished, dressed, and particularly in those dress, Miss Joseph, she was the girl student of that school, and Denham, he was a boy student of that school. Both these two students were looking very important person in that event. They were looking as very important official in that event, and those were wandering from here to there among in the middle of their colleagues, their fellow students, as they are very important person, and they were handling everything very nicely, making sure that every student is completing his part nicely. A bell was rung at 10 a.m. So in the morning at 10 a.m. the bell of that school rang, and everyone trooped into. Trooped, it means, meaning of this word is given here on the back side, page number 185. Trooped, it means moved together in large number. Everyone trooped into the auditorium. Auditorium, it means auditorium, it means a hall in which audience sit. So this is a hall, this is a place where audience come and sit. That place is called auditorium. Auditorium sit together in classes. So right in the morning at 10 a.m. the bell rung of that school. After that, every student as a troop in a large number, they entered into the auditorium, and there they went and sit according to their class in that auditorium, in that hall. Miss Joseph was a girl student of that program of that school, and then the two most senior students sat on the stage, one on each side of Mr. Florian. Mr. Florian, he was the principal of that school. So every student sat in the auditorium, and Mr. Florian, he was the principal of that school, sat on the stage, and two very senior student of that school, very important student of that school, sat one side of the Mr. Florian one, and other side sat other student. These two students sat each side of Mr. Florian. As soon as everyone was seated and silent, stood and addressed. Addressed, it means gave speech. Address the school. So, when Mr. Florian, the principal, saw that every student came and sat on his place, that time he noticed that everyone became very silent. After that, he stand up there from his seat and came to the dais and started to give his speech for the occasion, for that event. He spoke at length. Length, it means too long. He spoke too long there, and after that, retreating. Retreating, it means, look at here. Retreating. Retreating, it means speak or say again and Again, the aims and policies of the school and of the important contribution each child could make to the furtherance. Furtherance, it means, meaning of this word is given on page number 185. Furtherance, it means the advancement of the scheme or interest. Advancement, it means development or improvement. So, in his speech, in his address, Mr. Florin, the principal, gave a long speech, and again he was telling about the aims and policies of that school, and he was telling every child to contribute these aims and policies, take ahead to develop these aims and policies of this school. He was talking again and again about those points. He gave prize wherever it was indicated, but insisted. Insisted means, look at here, let me first clean this slide. Insist, it means demand forcefully. Insisted that there was a great deal to be done by themselves toward a general improvement in conduct. Conduct, it means behavior. Cleanliness and pursuit of knowledge. Pursuit, it means to follow. So here we are getting information what Mr. Florin, the principal, said in his speech. He told all the students that whatever you are doing, if you did anything good, so I will prize for that. I will admire that thing. But even though he was insisting, forcefully saying one thing, that even though after all this we have to achieve a lot in our life, particularly he was trying to tell that improvement in behavior, in cleanliness, and always try to get more and more knowledge. He was trying to give stress on these three things: improvement in behavior, improvement in cleanliness, and always try to get more and more knowledge in our life. As I listened, I realized it means become fully aware of. Realize that this man was in no way remote, in no way it means not at all. Remote, it means far away. From his school, his remarks, it means notice or comments, all showed that he identified himself with it and everyone in it. So, here, Braithwaite is telling to us that as Braithwaite heard Mr. Florin's speech, that time he realized, he fully became aware, he understood that this man still now not far away from his school. And E.R. Braithwaite realized that this person, Mr. Florin, the principal, had identified himself with this school, and he had identified in other students also that principle, whatever he was trying to follow. He then wished them success with the council meeting and led the stage to tremendous applause. Tremendous, it means, look at the board. It means great, or another meaning is enormous. And applause, it means clapping. So finally, Mr. Florin, the principal of that school, wished every student success for their future, and after finishing his speech, when he started to come down from that stage, that time we can hear lot of tremendous great sound of clapping in that auditorium. So students, this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much. What happened?